guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by today because today we're going to be making another really fun project. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some fake feathers for your creatures. Now normally I like using felt to make my feathers because it's really simple, but the problem with using felt is that you can't really embellish or decorate them or paint them or do anything with them other than cut a simple feather shape out. So I'm going to show you a technique using fabric to make your feathers. Anyways, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is pick out the fabric you want to make your feathers from. You're welcome to use whatever color you want, but I'm going to be dyeing mine, so I'm going to start out with a white fabric. So my fabric I dampened ahead of time so it's nice and wet, and I'm going to just smooth it out so there's no wrinkles, because if it dries after you add the coloring and there's a wrinkle, the color's going to kind of concentrate right there. Once I have my fabric nice and smooth, it's time to add the coloring for them. I'm going to keep this really simple. I'm just going to be using acrylic paint. I've watered it down and I'm going to start applying it with a big brush. Now the colors that I want for my feathers are going to be purple and blue and maybe a little bit of white. So I'm going to start with my blue paint and I'm just going to put a line right through the middle of the fabric. After that, I'm going to paint the very top of the fabric the purple. Because the fabric is damp, they're going to blend together slowly, but I will add a little bit more purple to the blue afterwards. Now one thing I want to let you guys know is the fabric that I'm painting is actually folded over, so I'm technically painting two pieces of fabric, one for the back and one for the front. Once I'm happy with how the paint looks, I'm going to let this dry overnight. Once your fabric is dry, it's time to start drawing out the shape of your feathers. Now you're welcome to freehand this, but I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I drew out the basic shape that I want to use ahead of time. I cut it out of fabric and I'm just going to trace this. Now I'm making my feathers a lot larger than I normally would, so if you're making these for a creature, I kind of recommend leaving them only 2 to 3 inches, really small, so you'll probably end up not doing it as large as I'm doing it unless you're doing like tail feathers, and if you're doing that, you're going to want them a lot thinner. I'm just doing this so you can see all the details that I'm doing, and it's a lot easier to show on camera. Once you have your feathers all drawn out, it's time to start adding some glue to the fabric. I'm going to be using a stronger version of Elmer's glue, and I'm going to be watering it down. That way we can paint it onto our fabric just like we did with the paint. So I'm going to go over my first layer of fabric. After that's done, I'm going to flip the other layer of fabric over, and we're going to take some little pieces of wire and we're going to run it through where we want the middle of the feather to be. Now if you're making smaller feathers, you probably won't need to do this step, but if you do, I would recommend doing a little bit of a smaller wire for smaller feathers. After I have my wires in place, I'm going to go over the very tops of the feathers with my watered down glue. Now you're going to let this sit and dry, and once it's dry, you're going to go over and make sure that the 2 layers of fabric are glued together. If they're not, that's okay. You can take some normal unwatered down glue and put it between the 2 layers and then smooth it out again. Now once the 2 layers are nicely glued together, you're going to want to take your scissors and you're going to start cutting your feathers out. Now if you want, you can count your feathers as basically done at this point, but I'm going to add a little bit more painted detail to the front of them. So I'm just going to add some little line work and maybe add a little highlight at the very top of it. After I was done painting the extra details onto the feather, I went over it with my scissors and just followed a few of the lines that I painted on. Okay guys, and that's how I made some fake feathers using fabric. I really hope you enjoyed today's project. If so, leave me a like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Leave comments down below if you have anything you want to see, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!